When you go to the restaurant, do you usually ask that how long did it take to make my food, or do you ask that can you explain me exactly how did you do these kind of things? I work on IT and I get a lot of questions on how many hours something is going to be taking and how you do it, and all the details is going to be asked. But at the same time, also at the home, if you have a pipe broken or something like that, you're quite many times asking how many hours does it take. But you should be maybe asking more like how much does it cost to make this kind of a thing for me, and not focus on how many hours, but usually, because it's usually not up to the hours, it's more about the outcome. You want the pipe to be fixed, you don't want it to be leaking. So that would be the main focus. Same with the IT solutions. You should be thinking about the outcomes and what do you want from the solution. And then as the price is based on the description and based on the need what you have.